Does your Excel workbook also shows this error? This NA error that is available in this paid column and in new balance column? If yes, hi. In this video, we will see how can we solve this issue using the IFERROR function. Sometimes it happens while searching the value from the different column, the data is not available. So that's why the Excel throws an error. In this column, the paid amount column, we are searching our value from this VP sheet, and some data is not available, so that's why it is throwing an error. And because of that, this new balance column is also showing an error because it is referencing this column. So instead of throwing an error, we want to replicate this value with some other value. We have this lookup function in this paid column, amount column, and we will use the IFERROR function. IFERROR, the value is this lookup value. And the second argument is the value that we want to replicate with the error. In our case, we are putting the 0. It means instead of throwing an error or showing an error, replicate it with the 0. Now all our value has been replicated with a 0, and this column has also removed the error value. So that's it for today's video. If you really like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.